And we're actually talking about photos here too. Okay, we're diving into this. So I was at a weather conference last week. We're talking about tornado photogrammetry. What is that? Okay, so let me show you this. This is from about 2010. So this has been going on for decades and decades. There is a portable Doppler radar right there. There's a tornado right here. So the radar is scanning into the tornado, and then they are taking high-resolution photographs in conjunction with the radar data, and then they are applying geometry to this to try to figure out how wide the tornado funnel is, for example, how wide the base is, the various winds within the violent winds inside of the storm. So I know this is really getting into it here, but it's so fascinating because this has really come a long way in the last several years because we have higher resolution radar, we have higher resolution pictures and video now, so they can pair these right next to each other to see what is going on with the storms, and then they can apply the geometry to it and interpret debris motion, for example, how the debris is blowing within tornadoes, detecting wind speeds with radar as well. One of the things they're learning is that the strongest of the winds, or some of the strong winds, are occurring even outside of the main tornado funnel. So that's really interesting because a lot of times you might think, well, the strong winds are just where the funnel is. Not necessarily the case there. One of the pioneers of this is Dr. Roger Wakimoto, and he's now at UCLA. He studied under Dr. Ted Fujita. Do you remember that name? You've heard of the Fujita scale of tornado intensity, the EF scale now that we call it. So Dr. Roger Wakimoto is really, really big into this type of study. And this is one of the things that I learned that's been going on. Just wanted to bring it to you guys. Just thought it was really interesting of all the science that's going on.
Interesting.
Yeah.